Okay, let's get into it. We are doing a deep dive today on a piece of pro AV gear that's trying to tackle, one of the biggest headaches in our field, complexity. We're talking about the Blustream CUSTOMPRO-HUB 2U. And our mission, really, is to see how this modular design changes the game for installers on the ground.
Well, what's so interesting here isn't just the list of features, it's the whole strategy behind its design. You can almost think of this hub as an insurance policy for a project.
An insurance policy, how so?
It's this really robust 2U chassis, but the crucial part is the 8 modular bays. For an installer, that modularity is everything. It means you can build out the I/O you need right now,
Right.
but it also future-proofs the client's investment. You can add or upgrade later without ripping out the entire core unit.
And that focus on robustness is a big deal. The sources we saw really emphasize the heavy-duty build and that interlocking board configuration. It's all designed to be.
Seamless. And what makes that possible, beyond just the metal box, is the digital performance inside. It's fully HDCP 2.2 compliant.
Of course, table stakes these days.
But the real power, the thing that saves you time, is the advanced EDID management.
Okay. Now we're talking.
Exactly. This is where you save hours on site. It isn't just about ticking a compliance box. It's about giving you the power to fix a problem source.
We've all been there. The source that just won't behave.
Right, the flickering, the no picture at all. This hub lets you manage, store, and even force EDID profiles. It basically ends that whole troubleshooting nightmare.
So speaking of custom setups, that modularity lets you scale up to, 8 inputs and 8 outputs?
Yep, 8 by 8. But let's talk about installation efficiency, because that's another big win. It has support for PIPRA,
Power over cable.
which is a massive operational win. You have fewer power supplies, less cabling, and just fewer points of failure.
But there's a catch, right? You need the compatible cards.
You do. It requires the HDBaseT input or output cards. But when you pair that with its ability to output over HDBaseT and HDMI at the same time,
Oh, that's huge for mixed display environments.
it's a complexity killer. You can run HDBaseT to a projector way across the room and a short HDMI to a local monitor, all from the same output.
So the power and signal path is sorted. But the control integration, that seems to be where it really earns that pro name.
It's a full suite. You've got front panel, IR, RS-232, TCP/IP, and of course a full web GUI and app.
The RS-232 is interesting. That's a clear nod to legacy systems.
It is, and it's critical. It ensures you can plug this into older, established control systems. But then you have the RJ45 for TCP/IP, which is for all the modern drivers. It's the best of both worlds.
And I imagine that web interface saves a ton of time on setup.
Oh, absolutely. No more clicking through menus on a tiny front panel.
Now, before we summarize, we have to talk about something that's often an afterthought. Analog audio. This thing has 8 3.5 millimeter stereo inputs.
This is a genuine solution to a real integration pain point.
Right.
Because what this lets you do is take, say, audio from a laptop and embed it digitally right onto the HDMI or HDBaseT output for that zone.
So you don't need external audio mixers or de-embedders anymore.
It completely simplifies your signal path and, frankly, your bill of materials.
So when you put it all together, the value here is, it's pretty clear. You get high customization, you get that intelligent EDI management, and all this control versatility in one reliable box.
And that reliability is baked in. It comes with a 5-year warranty, which, in the pro space, says a lot. It says they're confident in this thing running for the long haul.
And for context, the price today is sitting at $2,216 with free shipping in the US.
Which is really competitive when you think about the other gear it replaces.
Absolutely. So that brings us to our final thought. Given how this one box handles video switching, advanced ED, and audio embedding, it raises a big question. How does shifting all that intelligence into the matrix itself change the role of your third-party control system? Does it reduce the programming workload?
It makes you wonder if the control system stops being the brain of the operation and maybe becomes more of a simple trigger.
Something to think about for your next design.